Dynamics 365 Business Central allows for users to import data, for example journal entries, by linking directly with Microsoft Excel. Select General Journal. Open the default journal batch. Most data entry windows in Business Central provide an Edit in Excel button in the ribbon. Highlight the cell in order to select a posting date. A calendar appears in the add-in on the right-hand panel. Select the posting date for your transactions. You can now enter details about the transactions by adding lines into the table. Enter the document type, GL accounts, description, etc. to begin the data entry process, then scroll to the right to see additional fields for the chosen transaction. In order to publish the data back to Business Central, select Publish icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the Excel add-in. The pop-up message confirms the action. The data has been successfully imported into Business Central. Now you can minimize Excel and return to Business Central to see the results. Edit in Excel delivers a simple and easy way to create transactions within Business Central. Logically, the next step after review would be to post the transactions. If you'd like to know more, please do contact us.